My name is Kashmir Singh. I came from India. Just I brought here my friend, this doctor. They bring her to inside. They are giving the treatment. So maybe I don't know. Maybe after 1 hour they will discharge to us to the home.
How long have you been waiting here?
I came here before around 2 o'clock here, 2 p.m.
What time is it now?
Yeah, now maybe 9:30. They are doing very best. There are no any problem.
You feel short of breath?
Many kinds of people here. Maybe I thought every country people coming here. Yeah.
You see people from every country?
Yeah, many country people, Chinese, Thailand, or the Mexicans I saw here. So many people also from here, many people, they are getting help from this hospital. Sir, I am just visitor here. So my 2 sons here, just I want to see them almost every year here. So then I am living here around 3 months, 2 months, sometimes 4 months. So after that I am going to India. So I want to see them, my sons here, because I miss to them very much.